Hi everyone, I'll show you how to check your iPhone X, as you can see right here, if it's been previously water damaged. So here's the deal, you'll have to open this SIM tray and it's gonna be on the left side, and here, right here, you can see there's a white dot inside on the left side towards the screen. If it's white, then it's never been water damaged, never water was inside of the phone. If it's red, it's been completely water damaged. It'll look like this. It's really hard to see it inside of the phone because you have to adjust the light perfectly but it'll be just like right here in the picture. As you can see, same. As you can see red, that means it's been water damaged previously. So it's just use some flashlight or light and then flash inside and just go angle and you'll see it if it's been water damaged previously. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.